welcome to my channel. This is day 3 of my Dragonfly project, and I hope you enjoy this journey of discovery. Have a nice time. Okay, day 3. Day 3. No wind whatsoever. A steeper angle of attack on the back wing, and I've resetted the channels so that the rudder works with the front wings, and also the elevator. But for the takeoff, I'm thinking, oh, I see now. When I put more elevator, the front wing drops as well. Okay. So, and if I do this, we should have the steeper angle of attack for the front wing with this button here. So, okay, that's looking good. Well, so day 3. Let's see. Okay, it's turning. It's not fast. Reducing power. Oh man, it's slow. It's not turning at all. It's like broken. Come on, turn baby, turn. All right. Okay. It didn't turn very well the last time. I don't know why. Here it's working good. Oh, it's looking good actually. All right. All right, reducing a bit of power. Good. I'm full power and it's really slow. Okay. Good. Okay, so what do we have? Something very stable, very slow. So I'm going to drop the front wing. I didn't see any difference. Oh yes, it's climbing. It's climbing more. Yeah. I've got more control, I think, with this wing. The front wing dropped now, I think. Man, it needs a lot of power to do any movement at all. But we have no airfoil to speak of, and it flies. No problems. Well, trying to turn on this side, see how it goes. Man, it drags. I got no power here. No, it doesn't want to come back. Crap. Okay. Let's see what we have got.